Hello lovers of Bookies Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, I really don't have a lot to show you guys today, but I just wanted to let you know I have something cooking. So make sure you subscribe and you turn on notification. So guys, I really find it difficult to get 360 frontas, not 360 wigs guys, just the single fronta so I could attach my bundles to it. So I just decided to get this 220-inch 360 wigs. Then I'm going to redesign it and do what I have in mind. So make sure you stay tuned, you turn on notification because I have a lot of updates coming, and trust me, you are not going to believe this week when I'm done with it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on notification. I have a lot in store for you guys, coming with the tutorials and everything. I'm going to literally transform this week and it's going to be mind-blowing. So make sure you stay tuned and do not miss out. Always let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, if you need any tutorials, and I'm always here for you guys. I'm going to help you out. So bye bye.